In November, we found ourselves in Guatemala for a wedding. Afterwards, we planned to hike Acatenango with the hopes of getting views of an active volcano, Fuego. After months of planning, we went up on November 11th.
I believe the bus is on its way.
After an hour drive, we reached Soito's office in La Soledad. We pay our fees, gather our gear, and get a briefing.
Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to our place. My name is Angelica.
The map isn't to scale. To be direct, the hike is short but steep. We will travel through 4 different climate zones. First the fields, then the cloud forests, the high alpine, and then tomorrow the volcanic zone.
Please confirm.
Yes.
En la bolsa del almuerzo llevamos un contenedor de plástico como esto.
Each one of you guys got a tag like this one. This is very important to take it back because on the way up there is something. How much was it?
After a half mile and 600 feet of elevation gain, we get a short break alongside the loyal dogs that will join us up the mountain. We miss the rain pick up as we get through the fields. There will be no views, and we are forced to don rain jackets and pack covers. At the mile mark, we finally reached the park entrance. We pay our fees and continue slowly.
I know. Are you up here?
When we reach our lunch break, the shelters are full, forcing us to eat our lunch in the mist. At the 2 mile mark, we have gained over 2,400 feet of elevation. This is where I start to feel the altitude. There's about 30% less oxygen than at sea level. Each step up requires more effort. We find ourselves in the alpine, and after a series of steep switchbacks reach 4 miles and almost 4,000 feet of elevation gain. The hardest parts are done, but at 12,000 feet the last set of rocky sections are exhausting.
That just elevated my spirits by 1%. On a hand. Ridgeline.
It's stop and go, but finally we turn a corner and see Basecamp.
chicos, les damos la bienvenida a todos a lo que es Cabañas de Soy Tour.
We welcome you guys to the Soy Tours Basecamp.
Aquí, así. Al siguiente tour.
For us guys, it's important for us, and
We opt out of the hike to get closer to Fuego and settle in to catch a view of the eruptions up close. While we get a brief sunset, we do get a few glimpses of Fuego erupting, including some incredible views at night.
Two more, that's two. It's fun. Look.
Flowers.
Fire. Keeps up there. Probably can't hear what I'm saying 'cause it's fucking windy. Nice.
they're also in the elements. Sorry, I'm like screaming it got so cool. No, it's good. That was a good one.
Las luces, the lights, off.
After a few hours of restless sleep, we wake up to eruptions outside our door.
This looks brighter. That's so huge.
Let's hurry up and wait. as other hikers go up the mountain in front of us. The mist and rain pick up.
Fuck. Hair as well.
Get a few glimpses of what the views might be, but when we get to the rim of the volcano, the views are suffocated by the howling wind and mist. Finally, we make a push to the south rim. With the wind still gusting, we settle in and await sunrise. Get a glimpse of the Pacific Ocean in beautiful colors, if only for a few moments.
The tree summit, Jimmy?
Yeah.
That was it?
Yeah. Yeah, sorry.
I got you.
Judy, man.
Oh, hey. Atmospheric.
Where's Jimmy Luso?
Come on down, Jimmy.
You just hit a 13er.
After breakfast, we hurriedly pack our bags and begin descending. The decrease in altitude will be a relief. The hike down will have other challenges. Steep sections and volcanic soils will keep us on our toes.
Where's all these flowers? So yellow. Where it was so packed. 7,900 feet, about 2,000, and we're about halfway down.
I did not reach the true summit or get a postcard view, I am content to cross this one off my list.
Feels nice.
Like my neck hurts. I don't know why.